Learn how to be silent. It's so simple. While everybody is just over talking each other and just so much noise around, when you have the power of silence, you hear everything and you get to obtain a lot more information than you over speaking. And like that, you can project out to the world what everybody has a hard time doing, which is listening. It's not hard. I don't know why people have a hard time just pausing for a second and just listening what that other person got to say, and then, a back and forward type of thing. But no, it's a lot of people have a hard time just listening. Hope you're having a blessed full day, because I am.